Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I have another Super Sassy Earring Club unboxing. So if you've never heard of Super Sassy Earring Club before, it's super fun. They are paper earrings, which I love fun earrings and I love lightweight earrings. So this is the perfect club for me. This is actually a little bit late that I'm opening this. Things have been crazy. So this is actually from February 2021, and how adorable is this one? I should have opened it sooner, but I didn't. This is so cute. So this is definitely a super fun design. I am loving the dog and all the fun like hearts and roses for Valentine's Day. So how this club works is every month you will get hooks. So if you open up this little door, there are hooks, and the hooks will actually hook into any of the paper earrings so that you can wear them, and you just switch the hooks. So in this one, there are 2 dog bones, which I would totally wear because I love my dog. There are 2 heart eyes. There is tulips, which are really cute for spring. I would definitely wear these roses. They're super cute. And I would definitely wear the heart envelopes. Ah, this is so cute. If I would have had this open for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So fun. So the club is $9.99. I think it's super fun and I would highly recommend it, and open yours sooner than I did. But oh, the other fun thing is they have a different artist they feature every month. So this is someone from Texas. So yeah, so fun. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever worn paper earrings or if you are a member of this club also. Have a great day.